of the error. You can go inside to see the details of the error, and let's see. So you can see this is the error. Company code not assigned to country or country not assigned to company code, the calculation procedure rather. So an error code when checking task code, either the assign. So look at an error. They are going to see an error code when checking the task code, either the assignment of company code and country or country and calculation procedure is not correct. So what do we do? Yeah, you can click on this and it will redirect you to the path to fix the error. And sometimes the error will not give you that kind of opportunity. So what do we do? What's bringing this error? So let's go back to SPRO. Let's go to SPRO. You know, SPRO is like this. Then you click on SAP reference IMG, right? So then you come to financial accounting. Then you go to financial accounting global settings. So what is causing this error is that country. If you see, it said country. It's a country not assigned. No, let me go back here so that you see the error. You say country not assigned to calculation procedure. What is calculation procedure and what is country? Country is simply your country, Nigeria, the USA, Dubai, Qatar, and all that. These are countries here. So in every country has what we call tax procedures. Every country has what we call tax procedures. How are taxes done in this country? In Nigeria, as the case could be, in Nigeria we have what we call VAT, and we have what we call withholding tax. There are various taxes in Nigeria. There are various taxes in Nigeria. I don't want to go deep in that, but I want to restrict it to just these two. That's VAT and withholding tax. VAT is a value added tax. That value added tax. That's what it means. VAT, value added tax. It is subjected to goods and services. Anything goods and services. That's what that value added tax is subjected to. While withholding tax is that is WHT, withholding tax. Withholding tax is a special tax, and uh, if the company you are selling to deduct your withholding tax, it will be used as a tax credit at the point when you are filing your taxes at the end of the year to the FIRS, that's Federal Inland Revenue Services, and so you use it to net off your corporate income tax. So I don't want to go deep in those taxes and understanding of taxes because taxation is a different ballgame in its own, and so understanding it before setting up the system would be essential. But obviously, at the point of data gathering, the business would have given you how, what have you, so you can configure their system properly. So, but this error is pointing to you that you have not, you are using Nigeria. We are in Nigeria right now, and it expects that Nigeria as a country has been assigned to a tax procedure. That's just what it means. Nigeria as a country must be assigned to a tax procedure before you can actualize this invoice postings. So just click cancel and then so go ahead. So let's just go ahead. Uh, so the first thing we do, you see, when you come to financial accounting, you come to financial accounting global setting. What you will now come, you come to this tax on sales and purchases. So when you are buying, there is tax on it. When you are selling, there is also tax. Right? That's what it means. Tax on sales and purchases. So you come to basis setting. The first thing you come to is basis setting. What are the things under the basic settings? You have what we call calculation procedure. So this is the calculation procedure the error was pointing. He said, and country not assigned to calculation procedure or calculation procedure not assigned to country. That's what it means. Now, this assignment assign country region to calculation procedure. So we'll go ahead now and look at the country and calculation procedure. Now, do we have country? Yes, country has been defined. Is a default setting by SAP. SAP already has a country. Nigeria is the country NG. So click on NG and you see Nigeria. But what's our calculation procedure? So let's go. Have we defined one? We have not. But let's assume, let's just go inside and see for ourselves. So we don't have a tax calculation procedure for Nigeria. So we'll go ahead and do and create one. We'll go ahead and create one. So let's go back. Let's go back. So this is where to create a calculation procedure. So you click here and you click on define procedure. You come to this place and you define one. So you just click on new entry. You click on new entry and click on tax ng. You can use tax ng or you say tax. Let's put it as tax ng and say tax procedure for Nigeria. Tax procedure for Nigeria. For Nigeria, yeah, and click enter. We click enter, you save it. Save it. So just save. So we have saved. So you can copy the tax procedure now and go ahead and assign to the country, right? You go back, just go back, just go back. So assign country region to calculation procedure, right? So you now look for Nigeria and assign that. Click enter and click on procedure. You save it. Click enter because we have created it and it's seeing it. We can even go inside and find Control F and say tax NG. You will see it. You can see tax procedure for Nigeria, right? So you can only select and save. You can save it now, right? So we have saved it now. So we are fine now. So we can go back to FB60 again and check. As you can see, the error is not coming up again because we have fixed the error. Tax procedure not assigned to country is straightforward. Tax procedure not assigned to country or country not assigned to tax procedure. That's just what it means. And we've been able to assign that and we are fine. So now, without further ado, let's